Hello there, I am Tugustu Zariun. Motivate, support me by subscribing my channel. I will continue on the introduction part on the second part, which is types of computers. We have variety of computers nowadays. Throughout the world, we have generally 4 types of computers. How the classification is based on? According to their processing power, that means based on their size as a criteria. One computer differs with the other with their price. One computer differs with the other with the use of criteria speed, accuracy, and storage capacity. Computers are divided into 4 in general. These are the criteria that classify one computer type with the other. According to their processing power means one computer differs with the other based on their size, based on the price, the speed, the accuracy, and the storage capacity. We have 4 types of computers. These are the criteria that classify in general 4 computers. The supercomputers operate very fast and have multiple processors and can have multiple users. When you come from microcomputer to supercomputer, the size increases, the price increases, the speed increases, the accuracy increases, and the storage capacity increases. When you come from microcomputer to supercomputer, that supercomputers operate very fast and have multiple processors and can have multiple users. There are very few of these machines in existence due to their cost. These are very expensive, the most expensive, the largest, the fastest, and the most high, the most larger, large in storage capacity comparing with that of other type of computers. There are very few of these machines in existence due to their cost, especially their size also, their speed also. Example, NASA, the North Atlantic Satellite Agency, uses this type of computers, supercomputers, especially for the case of aerodynamics design. This software, this type of computers are used. These are the type of computers used in NASA. Here as an example. Second type of computer is mainframe type of computers. This type of computers, comparing with that of supercomputer, they are smaller than super type of computers. Mainframe computers, their main purpose is to run commercial applications. Can have multiple users, especially for the case of data processing, like big data processing in telecommunications, for the case of storing and processing airline data, for banking and insurance to store and process data found in bank and insurance, mostly have enormous amount of data and processed, typically at least millions of records in per day. That such type of data in this sector are stored using mainframe type of computers. In financial areas also. Here the mainframe computer that processes large amount of data in financial, in bank and insurance, Ethiopian Airlines, and in case of a station that controls other regional systems in a telecom center. The third is mini computer. It is larger than mini microcomputer, but they are smaller than mainframe computers. Mini computers, they are sometimes called servers. Why we say type of computers are a server? because they control other computers over the network. They control and give an access in microcomputers over the network. Over the network, we use as a server these computers that sometimes they are called workstations or servers. Can have multiple users, allow many workstations to be connected to their services. These computers are bigger in size, speed, and storage capacity comparing with that of microcomputers. This is the system unit. It is mini computer with its monitor or screen. Last type of computer is microcomputers. Can only one user single chip processors and are known as personal computers. The fourth generation or starting from 1971, it innovates or it is the foundation of the starting of microcomputers because microprocessors as a hardware or as a processor is started from the fourth generation. These include a personal computer like desktop, laptop, and palm top are subclassifications of microcomputers. The smallest type of computer is microcomputer. The cheapest type of computer is microcomputer. Again, from the microcomputers, we have the smallest type microcomputer is palm top. Because, again, under the classification or category of microcomputer, when you go down from desktop to palm top, the size decreases. The storage capacity decreases. And limitation, infection also. Desktop to palm top, desktop and laptop have equal infection, but their only difference is size. Laptop computers can do what a desktop computers can, but not in case of palm top. Palm tops are limited infection. Desktop and laptop computers are the same infection. Their only difference is size. Laptop and palm top are portables, means we can pick and when we move from one place to another, we can move with these devices that they are easily portable. In case of laptop and palm top, they are portables. Palm top is the smallest type of microcomputer. This is the type of microcomputer for desktop. It's enough about computer system. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel.